Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on Screencast-O-Matic. This is a resource that I've been using to create some of the videos this week related to e-learning content and making videos and more interactive things for our students. So I'm going to just click forward here on this PowerPoint, and you can see here this is the ScreencastOMatic.com. This is the resource that I've been using. It is a free, we all like to hear, an easy screen recorder to a point. So we'll talk a little bit about that as we go through this, but here is our webpage, screencastomatic.com/screen recorder, and you can click launch free recorder. That's going to give you the free version, and if you use this often you may have the upgraded version that you pay for yearly, but we're going to focus on the free recorder, and that's because of course it's free to us, and as you're new to learning this you may want to try it before you buy it, and you may not feel the need to buy it. One thing that I do want to point out is that the free recorder is 15 minutes or less, and there are some perks to that. Some of the perks are that it keeps our lectures a little bit shorter for students, so they're not sitting there straight listening to you. It's easier when you're face to face and can have the theatrics in front of them, but because we don't have that, sometimes it can get a little bit more mundane. So absolutely one benefit to that for our students. It also allows our instructors time to breathe, take a minute, make sure you're not re-recording every 5 seconds when you've had a good tutorial or good lecture. I'm going to just click to the next slide. So if I was to click launch free recorder here, you're going to say, it's going to say click allow or okay if prompted. Mine says open. So I would click here first. This is the pop-up that I would be presented with, and then I would open my screen recorder. Once I click that, then you're going to see another pop-up. This is the actual recorder. So it gives you a frame of what will be demonstrated to the actual student. So everything inside of those black and white dotted lines is what's going to be presented. You don't see these outside areas here. The reason why you're able to see them currently is because I'm using PowerPoint presentation of screenshots. So this would be if you wanted to record your screen. So you could have PowerPoint presentation up in there, you can voice over, you can drag your mouse over and highlight specific areas that you would like to. Those are things that you can do while doing just a simple voiceover. Now, for this, what you will do is hit record down here. It will start your recording, and then you'll be given the option to pause and then end or throw it away in a small trash can. So those are your options with this. This is just screen. So this only does a video of your screen. Now there are other options as well. So you'll see here that I have activated my webcam. And this is what it'll look like when you're ready to set your preferences. So you can activate just webcam if you want to do your face. Your maximum time is going to be 15 minutes again because this is the free version. And you'll see that once I hit record down here that you'll see a different thing. So here I am. This is me. After I've gotten rid of that preferences, then I can go ahead and start talking. Make sure you hit record first. The final option is to do both. So with this one, I was actually on the screen for Screencast-O-Matic, and I turned on this here, which is both, and here I am with my webcam in the corner. So that'll put your PowerPoint presentation as the main focus of the screen, or your web page as the main focus of the screen, and then you're in the corner doing your talking, and can make it a little bit more of an elaborate experience for your students. Again, how you use this all really depends on you. Up to this point, I really have mainly focused on using the screen, and I'm still dabbling in that webcam because it's a little hard to maintain where should I be looking, and I talk with my hands a lot. So getting that out of the way of the actual webcam has been one of my challenges while I've been working through this. But I recommend go ahead and play with this. Try and use it. once your files are done, then you can save them as either just a regular MP4 file onto your computer. They can be created into YouTubes, and they can also be saved on the Screencast-O-Matic files under your name if you create a setup login account. So these are just a couple of ideas to get you moving. I will, I'm sure, be creating a little bit more elaborate dedicated screencast related to this platform, but I hope you find this helpful.